aware of, right? So you are aware of this ChatGPT. These are some OpenAI products. There are some alternatives to ChatGPT. I think you are all aware of these things as well. There are Gemini, Alpaca. You can also try for Copilot, which is introduced by Microsoft now. These are some other tools which are very alternatives to ChatGPT. So AI is not only limited to ChatGPT now. We will see some tools. There are some applications of ChatGPT in higher education, mainly in teaching, learning, research, administration, community engagement, etc. But we'll be more focused on teaching, learning capabilities, which can be explored by ChatGPT and AI tools. So you can create and explore learning outcomes of some programs. You can write, obviously, and you can use AI tools for generating content. You can use it as ICT tools and media. You can find out learning activities. You can create example, finding example, question formatting. It is very useful for teachers and moderators to format questions quickly. You can take any test on that, and obviously discussing and activities, input for text development, input for video development, input for image development, and obviously alongside this some teaching learning resources and many more. There are many plethora of some activities that you can create using ChatGPT and AI tools. So we will be more focused on AI tools for education and research. So now I will by hand I will show you one application before proceeding on more such tools. I will show you, share with you an application that will be, I think, very helpful for not only the researcher, all academicians, and general purpose tools basically. So I'll show you that tools first, and then I will go for some tools that will be more focused to education and research. So let me share the entire screen first. And listening by beside listening to this, you can also practice this or test this in your machine as well. So the tool that I am going to show now, it will only work on your laptop or desktop. It will not work on your mobile phone or any other Android devices. You have to open your Google Chrome, as I have opened here the Google Chrome browser, and beside this Google Chrome browser, you will have uh, here you can go for your extensions, right? So there are some extensions you have already installed. You can then click on manage extension, and this here in manage extension you have to search for one extension that is exclusively available in Google Chrome, that is Marlin web extension. So, or Marlin itself. So I think this is already, if it is already installed, it will show here, or you can go for Google Chrome Web Store. So in the web store, you can find out and install that. I have already installed this, so it was showing there, but here you can find out Marlin. So this is Marlin AI for AI to research, write, and review tools. So there will be an option to add to Chrome. I have already installed, so it is showing remove from Chrome. But if you are a beginner, it will show you add to Chrome option. So after you add to Chrome, it will be installed in your system and it will be added as an extension in your Chrome browser. You can find out from here then, and also it will be showing here as well. Here it will be showing as Marlin AI tool along with other extension. So what is the benefit after you get after installing this? First, if you search for anything in Google, suppose I am searching anything for Google like say supervised learning. So now here you get some Google search result. Alongside this, after you install Marlin, you will find out here, you will find out this icon. This is basically for opening Marlin. So always after you install Marlin, always it will be available at the right hand corner in any page that you open, any page. So you can open Marlin from here, and now you can basically chat as you have chatted with Chat GPT or any other tools like Gemini, etc. You can chat with Marlin here, and you can here if you have find out some supervised learning tool here also you can ask question about what is supervised learning. So it will give you proper answer, right? So you do not need to go to Chat GPT. Basically, if you check here, Chat GPT is running. Chat GPT is running underneath this Marlin extension. Basically, you get GPT 3.5. It is a free version, and you get GPT 4 and above. It is basically paid version. So basically in a day you can put up to 100 queries in a free version, else you have to upgrade. But I have already checked for several days, 100 queries is more than enough. uh, you get very decent answer here, and also you can, as any other chat like ChatGPT or Gemini, you can even go on chatting with follow up prompts here. What's more, this is provided by any AI or ChatGPT or Gemini tools. What's more, so here you get tools like, here you can provide some files. So with files now you can chat. So let me put here in a browse file option. Let me put a file here. Say I will put a file from say my desktop. Say this one. So this is a paper which I am putting here. So it will take some time to upload the content. And now after the content is uploaded, it is now uploaded, you can uh, brief you can chat with the this content whatever you have uploaded, brief the content of the file. This is a very basic prompt here I have given. See, it was this file I have uploaded, which is a research paper, and here is the research paper. You can see the title, whatever it is. And now here in your Marlin extension, here you get the briefs on this. So you can also prompt, like you can also it is also suggests some prompts which is not available in your other Gen AI tools. Here it also suggesting some prompts like what are the symptoms of depressive disorder. These suggestions are basically for follow up prompts, right? So this is also suggesting these types of, so you can use this for making notes or reviewing paper, like that you can do. You can upload your content, not only PDF but also PPT, your image also you can analyze from this, and you can upload Word files, etc. So the various files is basically here you can up to 50 MB, maximum 10 files up to 50 MB you can upload here. And also you can upload images here, also you can upload images. Okay, so I'm not going into detail of that, you can check by yourself here. I'll show some other action which is available from Marlin. So not only this, beside this, here if you go to suppose YouTube, you in YouTube, suppose you open a video, like let the YouTube open. So suppose I am searching say support vector machine. in machine learning. So suppose I open a video which is mainly in English, because this support only English. So this is a video which is in English. Now, suppose this is a 20-minute video. I do not have that much time to go through all this content and make a note of that. Rather, I will give this task to Marlin. So here, Marlin, you can see it has already opened. So any page that you open in your Google Chrome, Marlin will be following you. So here, Marlin is opened here. Now it is creating a summary uh, by itself, and also giving you an option to summarize this video. So now you just click on this, wait for a few minutes, few seconds, and see, it's basically like you in a meeting you prepare minutes of the meeting. Basically, this is minutes of this video. See, you can the with proper timing. This is 2 minutes 42 seconds, whatever you discuss, and also you can expand this like this. You can expand, and also what's more, you can chat with this summary. You can chat with this summary like this. Now this is done. Now you can chat with this summary like here. You get some key points. It's creating some key points. Here you get the key points. Now also you can have a option to chat with this summary. You can get transcript obviously of the whole video, and there is also an option to chat with the summary. Here if you click, suppose, let me ask, what are the benefits of SVM? So this is now basically I'm chatting with the summary of this video. So it generates. This is not this may not be exactly available in the video. That is, these words may not be exactly available in the video. It is basically generating these tools. That is why it is a Gen AI tools, right? So this is one benefit of using Marlin. So after installing and watching this feature, I hope that Marlin will be your go-to companion wherever you are searching anything like video, image, or anything in the website. What's more, after you install Marlin, if you go to your Gmail, in beside this compose option, you will also get this AI option. This is also provided by Marlin. Now, if you click on this, whenever you are drafting a message, here you will see a AI content creator. This is provided by Marlin. It is showing that we will draft a nice mail for you. Just write something and press enter. So, suppose say I will take class of MSc. হচ্ছে হচ্ছে। দেখাচ্ছে না এখানে আমার হচ্ছে এখানে। So I will take class of MSc same 2 from December. Invite the students. I'm just giving this prompt. See, it has it is generating the whole text. Hopefully, it will be uh, available to your screen. It is showing me. Somehow it is not available. Right now, it is available. So it has generated a nice message. Now also you can follow up like suppose I want to simplify this. So just click on this simplify. It will simplify this. Now if you are happy, you can just click on insert. So now your draft is ready. You can make changes if you require any. You put the recipient address, subject, and send. That's all. So in a matter of few seconds, you can compose a whole mail. Not only that, you can also reply to mail. using this AI. Here, if you see, this is the invitation mail of this seminar itself. I have opened this and see the Marlin is available here. Now, suppose I will attend this seminar. I just want to uh, write a nice reply to this. Attend the workshop uh, as expert. Generate. I have not written anything else. So as this is related to this mail, so see, whoever has sent the mail, Professor Pal, so it has included the name of the sender of this mail as the recipient of the following mail, and also it has read the content of this mail, and accordingly it has written a nice reply, and also input the text that I have given, right? And also my address here. Now I can insert on this. So this reply mail will be created, and I can, if I am happy to go, I can click on send. So these are the tools that are available. So let me delete this. These are the tools, advantages that you get from Marlin. So you get to generate text, generate images. Well, you can generate image from Marlin. You can go to getmarlin.in. Here, uh, you can uh, will get a chat with Marlin here option. You get this AI chat right now. Here uh, you can you can guess more. I have to sign in, so I have to continue with Google. Right, after signing in, right. So now you have you now you to go to new, start a new chat, and here you can type your prompt like say draw an image of a cat holding an umbrella and wearing glass. See, it is generating some image like this. So you can now download this image. The image is all yours. You have the copyright of this image. You can use it anywhere. So Marlin is a all-in-one tool. You do not need to go anywhere else. You get your history of your search, etc. here. So it's a all-in-one tool. Marlin is a all-in-one tool. Now let me go to other research tools for that is available for research. ChatGPT is one, right? You can use it for uh, you can use for writing up research design, data collection, data analysis, all these things. I will discuss more on other tools than ChatGPT, like Consensus. It's a search engine for research. Google is a general purpose search engine. Consensus is a research purpose search engine. Let me straight away take you to here, the link to Consensus. Or you can search, it is taking time, you can search here for Consensus, right? A window like this will open. Obviously, you need to sign up for the first time, and then you will sign in here. Suppose now here you can ask research question, like if you are doing research on say lung cancer. So, and I am asking a question like, does smoking cause lung cancer? So this is not a general purpose search engine. So it will give the result from research paper, and it will give the references to the research papers. So see, this is a consensus meter. First of all, on the front, it give you. Yes, it does, 93%, and 7% no. But whatever it has created this consensus from, it will give you the references. See, these are the references. And here, here all the other references are there, and you can load more result, and it will also prompt. It will also give you some related prompt to your prompt. And here, from these links, like from meta-analysis or rigorous journal, these links, you can read the paper wherever it is available. This is this is a paper, so it will be available somewhere. So meta-analysis will provide this paper. Here, some this is a literature review paper. So like this, you can go to any such link and read this. So it will be very much helpful for your uh, beginning a research on anything. You can take help from this consensus. So this is a one little tool. This is for a research search engine, I can call. Then there is another very important and very helpful tool called Scholarship. This is a innovative platform for uh, users to discover and explore relevant content with the help of AI. So this is basically here you can analyze your research paper, not your research paper, so some other research paper. Suppose you are doing research on something, you get a review paper, you can upload to Scholarship and you can analyze the paper. So let me go to Scholarship and show you. This is scholarship.com. So basically it is showing like summarize, analyze and organize your research article, right? Now here you can log in. Obviously you have to start free if you are a beginner. After that you can log in, continue with your mail ID. Now I can add paper here. There is an option called add paper. You can import up to 10 paper in a day. So daily you can import up to 10 paper. There is a library created. This is my library. There is a library created with all your uh, inputs, but this library is available only for uh, paid customer. But always you can import, like here you can import your paper. Suppose I want to uh, you can drop a file here. Let me drop a file, or you can also upload a file. Yes, this is so. Let me upload this one, the same file that I used. Also, alongside it is uploading, you can find out, you can import file from Zotero. Zotero is a reference management toolkit. So from you, if you are using Zotero, you can import the file from your library from Zotero, where your research articles are available. So now it is analyzing the paper, and now it is available. So this is a structured summary of your paper. So you can observe there is a clear difference of the presentation of this summary from the Marlin. I have used the same paper for Marlin, and now using the same paper for Scholarship. Although they are using AI, but their representation is different. Their purposes is also different, right? It is presenting key findings, so its purpose is for research, right? So its representation is also like a research paper, its objectives, its method, results. Not only that, it also gives some key concept. You can read from these links, and you can explore on these key concepts, and also you can follow up. You can also put your follow up question, right? Here you can ask any question, like say, see the result is also very very minutely provide the detail of the result. And so now say, what are the, I do not know this, but what is, say, I am asking a simple question, what is depressive disorder, or what is DD? Let me ask, what is DD? Just for the sake of checking. So now it is like, it is working like a follow-up prompt. It's trying to create a, like this. Okay, so this is, I have asked a very basic question. See, it is creating this, this content is created by scholarship, and also it is providing the original content, original related content available in the paper, right? This is original related content. Now you can ask any other question, but here you get some research comparison. So this is very helpful for writing review paper or reading the review paper as well. Not only writing, but the reading of it is a very good habit to read through scholarship. So you get a research comparison here. Okay, you get the limitations. So clearly you get all the points that you require to know. Future work, practical applications, study subjects, for all the paper it will give this. Some compliances. Now it provide the original text here. Okay, so let me go through this, all these things. Now another benefit is that it provides references. So references you already have in your paper, right? Here, what is good from scholars is that you can, in a very small, but just only clicking on the show findings button, you can read the contribution of these reference article at a glance. Like, just if I click on this, it will generate a very small gist of the contribution that is made by this reference paper. It will take some time because it is analyzing, going to this link. It is analyzing. So see, just only uh, one sentence significance of the referenced paper, right? The region of the alignment shares high similarity with this, like this. So without going to that link, or without downloading or reading this paper, you get a glimpse, at least a glimpse of the significance of this reference. So that will be very helpful, I think. You get all this, all the claims of significance, and also straight away you can, if it is freely available, the paper, you can locate the full text right from the scholarship. Right, by clicking here, you can locate the full text if it is available freely, of course. So like this, I think the scholarship will help you to uh, analyze and read a research paper. More than writing, it will analyze. It will help you to read a research paper. This is what, this is the benefits of using scholarship. Now I will take you to another very useful tool called PowerDrill.ai. So this is for analyzing your data. So here, if you go to PowerDrill, this is for analyzing your data. Here you can go to new chat option, or you can go to dataset option to load your data first. If you go to dataset option, you get upload file, the option, from dataset option, like this. I have uploaded several files. If you go to datasets, these are the files that I have uploaded till date. Now, if you click on new chat option after uploading your files, you can select your data. So I can select my data. Suppose let me select this data. So without knowing any coding language, or without writing even a code, I can analyze the data. Suppose this is the data. I do not know whatever the data is of. Let me just ask, briefly discuss about the data. I do not know whether that, whether the data is of. I do not know about the data. Let me just take an overview of the data from PowerDrill itself. So see, it gives the whole data structure, and the whatever the row is of, whatever the column is signifying, it drills all the information from the dataset. If you see the dataset, I do not have much time to show you the dataset. It's just only two columns of these things. See, these things, month and number of passengers. So it is now if you ask follow up question, like it is also giving you some suggestion of the follow up question, like analyze the trend of passenger and number of vehicles or identify any seasonal pattern. Just click on this, like this. You can obviously write your own question. So it is showing me to upgrade because I have already crossed the free limit, but you can always check for this. You can check by yourself. I can switch, obviously I can switch email address now, but I don't have much time to do that. If you just click on this, you will have a proper analysis, like it will give you the code, it will give you the uh, let me show you. I can no. So it will not only give you the code but also the output in a format of graph, etc. Graph, allow you, if you are preparing for any conference, it will allow you to export your analysis, your result to PPT. It is a very very basic concept now. In it is available only in beta version, but it will give you the option to take the result, that is the graph, code, etc., to your PowerPoint presentation. It will export to PowerPoint presentation. So, so this is one. There is another tool which is named as Trinka. It is a grammar checker tool. It is almost like your Grammarly. If you go to Trinka.ai, it is a AI writing and grammar checking tool. Here also you need to log in. So here you can you have a drive option here. So the content that you have generated and you have worked with will be there. So let me sign in with my Google account. Here it is your dashboard. Here you get option like your citation checker, plagiarism checker, journal finder. So it is also an all-in-one tool. Here you can create a new file, and after you create the new file, see, here you can name the file. Let me keep it as untitled. Save and proceed. You have to keep the language. And now here on the right hand corner, you have tool like paraphraser, consistency, plagiarism checker. If you put the content, it may suggest you some suitable journal for the content, like that. So all in one, you can also, it will give you the amount of AI, percentage of AI. So it is like AI detection tool as well. So Trinka is all in one writing tool. Here you can write, and if you see here, you can write using those like Word, like Microsoft Word like tools as well. So all in one typing and content creation tool, text content creation tool. There are some other tools like to find research topics. These are the tools to find research topic, list of the tools. To review the related literature, you have these many tools. Also, to read research papers and summary generation, there are plethora of tools every day coming to the scenario. These are the tools for data collection. These are for data analysis. This is for proofreading and editing. These are for plagiarism and referencing. You can take a quick glimpse of these things. AI plagiarism tool, because nowadays people are creating content through AI, so you have to check whether the contains AI generated content or more than the limit. There is also a tool called, this is a very recent tool called Udly. This is a communication improvement tool. This is very helpful for the students and research scholars who are preparing for giving interview. So this is basically a real-time feedback or tool where you can prepare for interview. You just need to give the in Udly you just need to give the situation or the type of interview that you are preparing for, and then you give your own introduction. You then Udly will prompt you to improve on the areas, and also it will ask you question. It will be a demo interview kind of thing. It will ask you question. So these are the tools that I thought of discussing with you. If you, now I will put the microphone because I think the time is up. So if you have any query, uh, you can present.
Thank you, Dr. Sadhu, for your nice lecture. Anyone, any question from the audience? One question in chat box.
In the chat board, I can check. There is like, for making PPT, which tool is useful. So for PPT generation, I think the next speaker, Ved Kumar Vyas sir, will discuss some tools to generate PPT. You can wait for that. Onubroto Singh Roy. Uh, Kavita Sharavanan has asked a question: is it a problem to give all data of our research to Power Drill? Uh, no, not really, because I think Professor Jana has also discussed that it is available to your account only. So obviously, whenever you are using a free tool, there is option of like stealing your data. So you have to balance between that. If you can suppose if you give not you do not give it the whole data, you give a portion only. The Power Drill will give you the code for the Python code for analyzing the data. Now you can analyze the whole data going into any Python compiler. So like that, you can apply your just some tricks. You can use this Power Drill like tools freely, not giving the whole data. Yeah, Hari Krishna. Yes, I can share the PPT with the organizer. I will share the PPT, sir. You can collect. Any other question? Some literature review tools. Literature review tools, I think Scholarship will be a very good literature review tool. Alongside that, you can go for like chatpdf.com. These are the tools where you can just review. There is also researchrabbit.ai. That's also a very good tool for literature review, I think. Any other question?
Sir, did you cover the question of Anubroto Singh Roy making
Bonobroto.
good PPT for quiz to
Yes,
the
yes,
post?
I have seen, and I have told that Dev Kumar Bera sir is waiting. He will discuss on PPT making tools. Plagiarism checking in Trinka, it is available. It is available. Any other question on these topics?
No more question.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your nice lecture.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Thank you.
Sorry. We have learned a lot of things such as Marlin, scholarship, power drill, and many more. Though personally, I have some doubt on this because these are actually not open to
এটা
all.
বন্ধ করো তাহলে।
Whatever. Thank you, Dr. Sadhu, for the interactive session. Now, our final
Do you
lecture.
have Shravan sir, do you have any question? You can ask.
Yes, actually, once I shared some comment to ChatGPT, he
Mm-hmm.
write some references on this topic, and it
Mm-hmm.
shared some dummy or fake
Right,
references.
right, right. This is very
But
good point. This is
by
very good point because these are generative AI tool, basically Chat GPT. So it is working on the bank of some large language model. So it is generating content, not it is creating content. So and also it is not synchronizing with the internet, right? So for like reference or citation purpose, it is not advisable to use chat gpt or gemini. That's where there is tools like scholarship. Okay,
okay,
so
okay.
scholarship will give you correct link to the and correct link to the reference articles.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very
Thank you.
much. Now, for our final lecture, we have Mr. Dev Kumar Bera uh, from Vidyasagar University. He will talk about AI tools for multimedia content. The session will be chaired by Dr. Anita Pal and will be coordinated by Anushree Bhattacharya. Dr. Pal, please introduce your speaker. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Shobhan, for giving me this opportunity to introduce the next and the last speaker of this webinar. So, I take the privilege to introduce Mr. Dev Kumar Bera. Mr. Dev Kumar Bera is an assistant professor at the Department of Computer Science, Vidyasagar University, since 2018, and he is pursuing his PhD the same university. More than 6 years of He's having more than 6 years of teaching experience, and his area of specialization is in the theory of computation, networking, and cryptography. His recent interest is exploring and studying different AI teaching, learning, and research tools. For the past years, he has served as an expert in various workshops, seminars, and training programs on different topics in computer science. So, today in our webinar, Mr. Devkumar Bera will be talking about AI tools for multimedia content. So, I request Mr. Devkumar Bera to start with his presentation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you to the all organizers for inviting me. Today, I will talk about 4 AI tools which can be used in different fields. So, my first tool will be I am sharing my screen. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, is it visible?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay. My first, it is an AI tool. First tool is Illicit, illicit.com. You can notice the address, that is illicit.com. It is an AI tool for summarizing different key information from your research paper. Also, it is an AI tool for finding seed articles based on keywords and subject headlines. So it is simply, the input can be given by two ways. One way, you can simply write your topic here, or you can upload your PDF files here. So if I write some topic, like suppose data hiding, mm, so if you proceed, it will suggest some of the papers which are related to data hiding in a encrypted image. That is my topic. So now see, there it is suggesting several papers based on the topic, and it is summarizing the abstract for each papers. Now the special features is, you can add different column to this to find each paper's summary for that column. Now see, I add methodology. So it is suggesting or extracting methodology from each paper. So without going details in each paper, you can take a glimpse of this information from these papers. Okay. Now, one more features in this, you can add a new step from this. It is providing a, suppose, ask a new question and find papers, or extract data from, if you uploaded some papers, it will extract the data from uploaded papers. So basically it is a tool for summarizing, because you have the previous paper, previous speaker has demonstrated scholarship. Scholarship only works for only one paper, but it will work for several papers. Also, it has two versions, one for free and one for upgraded version. For free version, you only chat or summarize only four papers, but if you are upgraded user, then you can uh, use up to eight papers. So basically, it is summarizing. It is the tools for summarizing based on different parameters, based on different keywords or headings or subject. This is the first tool. Next, my second tool is the, one minute, Wolfram Wolfram Alpha. That is a unique engine for computing and addressing knowledge. So you can see there are different topics or different subjects. What it can provide. Suppose if you go to a topic or subject, suppose computational science, it will provide the knowledge based on your topic and prepare a report on the topic. Suppose cellular automata, if you go to the cellular automata, there is mentioned rule 120. If you click on it, then it will generate a report on that topic, that is CA rule 110, 110. Now see, it has generated a report on based two will generate a similar topic, similar report on that rule. So it's work like that. It's currently on developing state, but it can provide facility to search information without going to the web from its large set of data. So it is a powerful tool for gathering knowledge and generate report on particular topic. Okay, my next next platform or tools will be gamma.app, gamma AI. Usually we say gamma AI presentation based on some headings or topic. So it has three input. One input you can generate PPT through AI or using AI, or you can generate PPT from scratch, or you can import your document or import your content in it, and it can generate a PPT based on your import information. So if you go to the create new, then generate option, continue. Now there is a space to write your topic. So if you write some topic, suppose uh, suppose today's today's program topic. If you put today's program topic, 1 minute. Okay. Now choose your cards or number of slide. Choose 10, or rest of the slides will be for subscribed users. For free users, it is max to 10 cards. And language, now generate outline. Now see, it will generate 10 outlines for 10 slides. See, outlines are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, for 10 outlines for 10 slides. Okay. Now, next page, amount to text per card. So you can choose brief, medium, or detail. Now, what image can be used? So if you choose, there are several options: three image, AI image, or image that are available to internet, or image that are available to internet but free to commercially use. Those can be used. And next, now generate. Now choose your background theme. So you can choose anyone from here. These are the themes for free. Okay, generate. Now see, AI is generating your presentation. See, 10 cards has been generated, and based on my topic, it has generated 10 cards, and already suggested outlines are given. Now it has generated the total presentation with content. These are the content. Now you can modify the content with chat. Uh, suppose if you want to change this, edit this content, suppose, so select this and edit with AI, uh, represent in table format. Suppose you want to represent this content in a table. So suppose put in table. So it has placed in a table. Now you can download it. The special features it has, you can download this PPT into your device, or you can, after downloading in your device, you can edit this PPT also. Suppose if you, sorry, sorry. Suppose export, there is a option called, in the share option, there is a option called export. You can export to your device as a as PowerPoint. Now see, it has saved in your device. So if you open this, so the AI generated PPT now in your device, you can edit the content, you can edit anything in this PPT. Also, you can edit this logo. Sorry. All right. It used to be removed, but it is not removing. Okay. So you can edit this content or writing in your computer or specific device. So this is for PPT, creating PPT or creating presentation using AI or through by AI. Now my next platform will be, my next tools will be creating video using AI. So it is in video AI. I am using in video AI for creating a video. You can give your topic here. Suppose if you give today's program's topic, information, post. Now press on generate a video. Now what it will generate a script for you based on your topic and also the video based on your topic. Please wait, it is taking some time.
Sir, it is taking time. Can we take 2 questions from the chat box? Then it will save our time.
Yeah, few questions are there.
Can we generate PPT by uploading a file in Gamma AI? Yes, yes. You can upload your matter or material or file in the Gamma AI. Then it will generate the PPT based on your provide information. Is it problematic to upload all my published paper to multiple tools or platform repeatedly? So all the previous user have said, previous speaker have said this. If you have subscribed account, then it is safe to upload your personal information. When we input the required information to generate a PPT, can it correctly format? So basically, Gamma will format your PPT or presentation based on the headlines, based on the headlines which are AI suggested. Then you can place your information or formula or equation in the PPT after downloading it. So the format will be same, but you can add your information in the PPT after downloading.
Is there any more questions? So if there are no more questions, I think we can thank Mr. Dev Kumar for his.
No, madam, the video has been generated. Please.
It is not
Okay,
finished
okay,
yet.
okay, okay, okay. So please continue. In between, actually, we have lost the audio. There was no sound in our system.
Okay, okay. Also,
Okay,
the video generation are taking lot of time.
okay. You please carry on. Carry on.
So the video is ready. Now I'm playing this. So based on my topic or writing, the AI created a video. Now, if you edit the transcript, you can edit it, but it is only for the subscribed user, not for the free users. So now, after you can download this video in your device. Suppose so it's works like that. Thank you. So it downloaded in my computer. Now this is the same video. Thank you, madam.
So, madam, please give the vote of thanks. Are you there, madam? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah.
Okay, I think question answer session we have already completed.
No,
So
can no. One question. Can
one
we
question
edit
is
the
there.
video after downloading? No, you can't. You have to download while it is generating. You can edit the script. You can import your picture or particular scene in the video, but it is limited. It is not available for the free users. It is available for the paid users. You can edit the script. You can add your material. Suppose you want to import your picture or someone's picture, you can add it while it is generating.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dev Kumar. So it was a very nice and very informative session we had. Lots of things I think participants learned from you. Thank you.
Also, we learned about some useful portals like lec.com, Gamma App, and in video. So thank you again. Thank you,
Yeah,
Mr.
thank you so much for accepting the invitation and be a speaker of this program. Thank you so much. And thank you, Dr. Shobhan. Thank you.
Yes, there is an announcement. Dr. Rupkumar Mahapatro had shared, did you share, Rupkumar, the feedback link? Please share it in our chat box. And in the meantime, if anyone is interested to say something, please switch on your camera and share with us summary of the program or anything you want to say.
So feedback link is
Yeah, Dr. Mahapatra has shared the feedback link in our chat box. So please fill it and by 8 p.m. once completed, your certificate will be generated and sent to you. Thank you all for joining us. Have a great evening. And this concludes our program. Namaskar. Thank you, Kavita, for your nice feedback. So you may leave now if you don't want to say anything.